Greetings, YouTube. This is the Garage Autonomist. I don't know whether to admonish my diehard fans for this shit. I had no idea that my headphone set was so shitty that you guys can hear every breath I make and every breath I take. It's the equivalent of when, you take those, you have these high-end digital cameras and you think it's gonna be like the best picture in the world. And meanwhile, everybody can see all the pores and shit on your face opened up from last night's drinking and shit that you did. Yeah, I had no idea that this headset was like that. Anyway, tomorrow night, 10:30, I'm going to be doing a live cast. We're going to be talking about the misuse of data that the manosphere loves to use to disprove male privilege, when in actuality, the data that they present proves that patriarchy does in fact exist. That should be light work, to be honest with you. It's probably going to take maybe the first 30 minutes. And then when I'm done with that shit, I'm just going to do an open mic. You guys can just join in, tell me what the hell you want me to talk about, and we'll talk about it. I do have an upcoming video, surprise, surprise, where I'm going to be talking about some stuff. And I've decided that I am going to do a video series. The video series is simply going to be called Jobs. And I'm going to be talking about the 3 major jobs that have shaped me and changed my life in some ways. In a lot of ways, really. So there's going to be definitely a little bit writing involved with that one. So believe me, if you don't see it when you think you're going to be seeing it, it doesn't mean that I forgot or that I have, that I'm blowing you off. That's not really going to be happening. So anyway, that's tomorrow night. We'll be talking about these idiots of the manosphere trying to prove that male privilege doesn't exist with statistics, actual statistics, when in actuality, those same statistics prove patriarchy does exist. And instead has nothing to do with this imaginary gynocentrism or matriarchy that these guys love to believe exists. Also, I'm going to be doing a little bit of research, not for tomorrow night's show, but separately. I heard Black Gnostic Speaks say to someone in a hangout, to one of his little nobody fanboys, ex-fanboys, but actually now, this guy by the name of Guy King, where he said that the national debt, believe it or not, has to do with gynocentrism. I believe that for him to make such a wild boast and claim, make a wild claim really, that means that he must have made a video about this. So I'm going to go and see if Black Gnostic Speaks, BGS Ibmore as he's mostly called, if BGS Ibmore has indeed done a video where he proves to us using flowcharts, using statistics, showing us that in fact, the reason why we have a national debt is because of gynocentrism. Yeah, that's going to be fun. I don't think that he's done such a video. It's been a while since I've actually looked at his channel, probably 6 months, something like that. All right, y'all, that's it. So tomorrow night, see you there. Bye.